What up, guys? It's Shay here back with another video. And as you can see, I have two massive Amazon packages. And I think I already know what's in here because I ordered things. And yeah, so I'll see you when I get back inside. Okay, guys. I cannot wait to open these things. Oh no, that's a plum. This is a tomato. Come on. The grapes. I'll be right. First squish. I was expecting there to be a banana in here, because like that was on the thing I ordered it. They stick to each other. Oh, I think this might be a strawberry. Either that or a tomato. I can't really tell. Because it has like yellow dots on it, like they're supposed to be seeds, and it's a strawberry, but it's also red. So like, this is a plum. But they stick to each other. Ah! This is the fidget pack, which I'll open in a minute, but oh, you garbage. I think I know what this is, but it could also be very wrong. The Orbeez balls with nuts on them! There's something else in here. Oh yeah, my acupressure rings. We're gonna start with these. They're so tiny. Why am I scared? And these are all just the same exact ball. I'm in heaven. And since they're all the same thing, I'm not gonna open the other and show you because they're the same thing. This is addicting. The acupressure rings are different colors, so we're just gonna do a bit of cheating. Okay, so we have blue or purple, one of the two. Silver, red, green, and gold. And there are 30 total rings, and yeah. I would mean there are 6 of each color. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna open the fidget pack for y'all. Surprise, surprise! The first thing I pull out is a mochi, but not just any mochi. This is a dinosaur mochi! Oh, it's so cute! Another Orbeez ball. I do have one more thing coming on Halloween morning, so it's a spiky Orbeez ball, but it doesn't make the noise, which is what I like about Orbeez balls. A T-Rex little squirrel! Oh, I'm so dead. A classic pink pop tube. A pink T-Rex. Is that right? They're T-Rexes, right? And then this is a reindeer mochi. Yeah, this is a reindeer mochi. How cute is that? Oh, wait, is this this is a baby dinosaur mochi. Like in the movie Good Dinosaur where like it pops out of the egg. A duplicate reindeer mochi. I'm not going to show you this because it's the exact same one. Dasher, Dancer, Daughter, Vixen. This is getting me in the Christmas mood. Another dinosaur mochi. Same exact one again. The green one, not the orange one. Oh, what's this? Is this a glove? This is a glove mochi. I've never seen such a thing before. What's with all the Christmas mochis? A T-Rex rope. Why am I calling it a rope? A light pink one. The one from before was like neon. That's it. Anyway, one of these awful puzzle balls. Like, who cares for those? A pink and an orange monkey noodle. Ah! A bouncy ball with Santa Claus on it. What's with the Christmas stuff? I love Christmas, but like, come on. These should be Halloween themed. This is cute. Can you pop it? Pretty good, too. The good side could use some work, but hey, I'm not complaining. I hate these things. I might just throw that one away. Oh, look. More gold and silver acupressure rings. A tiny little spike ball. A green bicycle chain. Purple noodle. Puzzle ball. No cares for those. Oh, I don't have these two. They're different. I don't know if you can tell, but they're like multicolored marble meshes. Oh, I have this exact one. The good side's pretty good. The other side could use some work. Is this a red, white, and blue? Yep. And it's a hexagon. It's been a while since I've studied the names of my shapes. But, yeah, it's a hexagon. Pretty good. Just not my favorite. Green and blue noodles. And a bunch of those tiny spike balls. Green, orange, yellow. Ow! A triple dimple! I don't think I have one of these. At least not one that looks like this. I have the spinny one. Oh, heck yeah. That's the bad side. This is the good side. Heck yeah, girl. I have no idea. Is this one of those, like, you know those, like, hands where, like, they have a handle and you're like, yes, it is. Nothing against these. They just get dirty really fast, and I don't like it. Another multicolored marble mesh. I think it's actually a duplicate of one of them. It is. But, crap. Things are falling into my desk, guys. And then a light pink one. A light blue one and a light blue monkey noodle. Oh, whack-a-track. Oh, two whack-a-tracks. My apologies. I think this one, no, they're the same. I thought one was lighter. Two different types of snowflakes on red balls. Seriously, Christmas stuff? Come on. And a pea popper. A pink bouncy ball with Santa on it. A duplicate of the sticky thing, except it's green this time. And the last thing is a silver acupressure ring. So I just wanted to do another one of these videos, and holy poopsicles, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but I definitely made a pretty big mess of my desk. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. And remember, above all miles, smile like a crocodile.